I've been a plumber for 7 years now. I left school when I was 17. Got into it through my twin brother. So I started with him and then did my whole apprenticeship with him for 4 years. When you're younger, you get all your hand tools and hold great importance on your tools and all your stuff that you kind of really use in every day. And most of those tools you keep for 3, 4, 5, 6 years, 10 years really. For me, I really take it personally if something doesn't really go to plan or something doesn't look the best. So I guess you're always striving to do the best job you can. The Turbo Torch, I think, it's very comparable to a lot of the other brands that I've used during my apprenticeship and in the last few years as well. I think it really did perform. It really pinpointed the heat and really allowed the solder to run quite freely around the joint. I am very passionate about what I do and I do take it all very personally, day to day, and there's not many jobs you can do with your bare hands. The tool is the most important part of being a tradesman. The trade phone does the job. It's very reliable and they're of the greatest importance.